With Qtrade Direct Investing, buying a stock online doesn't have to be complicated, even if it's your first time trading. There are 3 easy ways to start your stock trade from the Qtrade Direct Investing homepage. 1. Under the Trade header, select Equities. 2. Select the Trade button under Quick Links. 3. Input your stock's ticker symbol under Get Quote. Select Submit and click Buy from the quote page. When you choose this option, some of the fields referred to in this video will auto-populate with your stock's information. Next, select the type of security you'd like to buy. In this example, we'll choose an individual stock. Specify which account you'd like to buy your stock from and the country it's listed in. Now, input the ticker symbol of the company you're buying stock in. You can find it by clicking the magnifying glass and searching the company's name. Under Action, select Buy. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase under Quantity. Under Order Type, select Market. A market order is the simplest order type. It allows you to buy a stock at the best available current price. Leave the Good Through date set to today. This field applies to other order types, which allow you to specify a desired time frame for your order to remain open. Make sure your phone number is correct in case we need to get in touch with you about your order. Select Review Order. If you see anything on the confirmation screen that you need to change, select Modify, make your updates, and resubmit. If your order looks good, click Submit Order. You can check its status anytime by going to Order Status under the Trade header on the home screen. Questions? Contact us today at directinvesting@qtrade.ca or 1-877-787-2330.
Meet with a member of our wealth and investment team today.